All right, Python Web Conference folks, I have got Paolo with me today. He's going to talk to us a little bit about what he's going to present at the Python Web Conference 2021. So how are you doing today, Paolo? Let's talk to us a little bit about your talk.
Hey, everybody. I'm fine. I'm happy to be here with you. Um, my talk at the next Python Web Conference is about maps with Django. I worked in few projects with GeoDjango and maps with different backends, PostGIS and SQLite. And so I started writing some article about this subject, and then I decided uh, to make a new talk based on this experience I have in different projects, and to present a little trip starting from the base of the maps using leaflet, Django itself, and GeoDjango, and exploring various type of maps you can build using only these instruments. And so I already published my article based on Specialite and SQLite, and I used this article to present a basic map you can deploy on your website with very few external requirements, because you don't need other external resources, and you can show a map very quickly in your website. And in the second part of the talk, I'm going deeply and what you can do using GeoDjango and PostGIS. Is based on Postgres. You can do a lot of special queries on your data, on your special data, and you can use these power instruments also to expose RESTful endpoints. You can have a service where people can ask you for special queries, and it's way more powerful than only show a simple map. And I already presented a similar talk in the Django Con Europe in 2019, when I presented a use case of a project based on this technology. But in this talk in particular, I'm going only to show a little trip from the starting point, from the basic of GeoDjango to more complex project and more complex maps. Mm-hmm. So it's a little trip in these subjects.
Cool. I mean, it really shows the power of the batteries included with Django, plus adding on the GeoDjango bits. Yeah, I'm excited to see your talk. I know that a lot of folks will be as well. What are you looking forward to at this year's Python Web Conference?
Yeah, this is a very strange year, and I'm very looking forward to see other people I used to see in person in other conference, but I miss this experience.
Yeah, and we were just talking. I think I first met you at DjangoCon Europe in 2017, like in person. And then we saw each other numerous times at real conferences, and I commented when we got on that I really miss seeing people in person.
It's the great part of conference. After, I don't know, 10 years, you can meet again people that still care about communities, still care about Python, and this is the best part I like. This type of conference.
I'm really hoping we can recreate that with the Python Web Conference. We had I think, well, you were at DjangoCon Europe as well this year, well, 2020, where we did it virtually, and the energy in the Slack rooms and the socials I thought was really good. Like, it really didn't quite replace being in person, but I don't know, I felt like a pretty good close approximation for being able to experience some of that community.
Yes, it's true. It's not the same, but we can try to do it, because otherwise we don't see each other at all. So it's better than still trying to be in contact and share experience with other people than don't do it at all. So I hope in the next future we can start again meeting each other in presence.
Yeah. Me too. Well, I look forward to seeing you at the Python Web Conference 2021. Either way, I think we're still going to have a good time and enjoy the community that is the Python community itself.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, Paolo, I
Okay.
appreciate you being with me today. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in March.
Yeah, I'm looking forward too. And thanks for having me here, and see you. Bye.
Bye.